principles are stronger than people and curriculums, we take up the principles of integrity and exclusion. I invite great lady sir for the discourse.
Today we discuss about 7 habits of highly effective people, habit third, and the principle embodied in the habit third, that is known as execution and integrity. Okay, first of all, I would like to introduce myself that I have been an author of more than 12 books. Some of them are motivational and one or two are spiritual also. These books are very effective, very impressive, and very beneficial for the readers. But on the basis of these books, I have or systematized workshops. So I give workshop, and in the workshop I teach 7 habits of highly effective people through my these books. These are the made easy, okay, like a summaries, like a comfortable version of 7 habits of highly effective people. Okay, so today I extend my thanks to Anjali ma'am for greater and wholehearted participation, and also to Hema ma'am for his active and her active participation. Okay, now I would like to tell that principles are always bigger, stronger, and more important than people and circumstances. There is any event, any circumstances, any happening, any people, anything, principles are always better, always greater, always stronger, always more effective. Okay? Why? Because principles are timeless. Okay? Every time these principles will hold good. Okay? These are universal. Everywhere, wherever you go, principles will work. Okay? And third one is this: principle doesn't need any proof, any evidence that they are true. They are self-evidently true. Okay? These 3 characteristics are of principle. So principles are always to be obeyed. Okay? So in third habit, principle is integrity. What is integrity? Integrity means whenever you have decided your vision, whenever you decided your goals, whenever you decided your dreams to be acted upon. Okay? Whenever you have made any plan, then what is the utmost need is there to have principled based integrity. Okay? Integrity means when you have decided to do some work, any smallest promise, even tiny promise, even atomic promise you have made, so you complete this. So completion is important. Why do I say this thing? Because when you complete anything in your life, if you are doing love to a girl, even complete it. Completion is always there, because in this universe, completion makes in your body one hormone that is known as endorphin. And this endorphin hormone is happiness hormone. Okay, there are 6 hormones. I will tell these 6 hormones will be secreted in a greater amount in your body, in your mind, in your harmonic system. When you complete your work, okay, when you struggle, and after having many challenges, and you are still doing fighting, and then you pick up and then you complete your work, then all 5 types of happy hormones will be secreted and you will feel happy. Okay? Even oxytocin hormone is responsible for love and affection. This is also secreted when you complete your promise with any girl, with any boy, with mother, with father, or your friends. Wherever you use your keeping the promises completely. Completeness is must. Okay? Fullness is must. Fullness provide you happiness. Okay? Fullness provides you secretion of hormones. First hormone is known as endorphin, I told. Second, I told love hormone, that is known as oxytocin. Endorphin is also known as pain relieving hormone. Okay, there are many pains in your body. There are many pains, acute pains in your mind, in your emotions also. Those all will be curtailed, abandoned, removed when the secretion of endorphin in a greater amount. And it will happen when? Then you have first decided your promises and then you complete it. Completeness is must. Okay? Accomplishment is must. Fullness is important. Okay? Then what sort of another hormone? That is known as dopamine. Whenever you complete your work with integrity, integrity means commitment. Commitment that you will do this work in any condition, this or that way, any way you will complete, then dopamine will be secreted. Okay? And one more hormone, that is known as serotonin. Serotonin is providing you pleasure. So this pleasure hormone will also be, and then third is melatonin. Melatonin hormone will give you intuition and sleep at night. Okay? And so how many hormones? I conclude. First is dopamine hormone, that will be secreted after completion of your promises. Then serotonin will be secreted, and then melatonin will be secreted, then oxytocin will be secreted, and then endorphin will be secreted. And one more hormone that is very important for your pleasure, for your happiness, and for your courage, that is known as GABA. GABA will also be secreted. So these half a dozen hormones will be secreted to make you happy, happier and happiest in your life. मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बताना चाहूँगा कि जब आप इंटीग्रिटी यानी निष्ठा के सिद्धांत को जीवन में उतारेंगे और इसके आधार पर काम करेंगे तो आपके जीवन में पूर्णता आनी आरंभ हो जाएगी. आपका जीवन खुशियों से भर जाएगा. 5 प्रकार के खुशियों के जो हार्मोन हैं वो आप में अधिक मात्रा में सिक्रेट होंगे और आपके शरीर में यदि कोई व्याधि है, कोई दर्द है, कोई कुंठा है, तो वो इंडोर्फिन दूर कर देगा. अगर प्यार की कमी है तो आपका ऑक्सीटोसिन उसे दूर कर देगा. और रात्रि में नींद नहीं आती है तो मेलाटोन इस कमी को दूर कर देगा. और अगर आप खुशी महसूस नहीं कर रहे हैं यानी मूड ठीक नहीं है तो वो सीरोटिनिन आपका मूड ठीक कर देगा. और आप कुछ टेंशन कुछ हैं, अनिश्चितता के दौर से गुजर रहे हैं तो डोपामीन उसे ठीक कर देगा. गाबा जो है वो आप में करेज लाएगा, आपके अंदर जो है खुशियों की लहर लाएगा और एक कंटिन्यूटी बनाएगा. और ये 6 मिल कर के क्या करेंगे, आपका जो कोर्टिसोल हार्मोन अगर गलती से ज़्यादा हो गया है तो उसे न्यूट्रलाइज कर देंगे. ओके, मैं आपको निवेदन कर रहा हूँ कि हम हमारे चाहे वो भगवत गीता पर हमारा डिस्कोर्स हो, चाहे 7 हैबिट्स में हो, हम ये प्रयास करते हैं कि इन दोनों को मिला करके और आपके लिए कंफर्टेबल डिस्कोर्स बनाएं. तो कल से जो है हम इन दोनों का कपल्ड एक अच्छा यानी कंबाइंड, कंपाउंड और बेटर आई से such type of mixture that will be more beneficial for your health, for your mental intelligence, for your emotional upgradement, for your spiritual development. We will by tomorrow start mix of this, and that is known as combo forum of these 2 discourses. Okay, thank you very much.